Our campaign performance reporting process was a mess. My team needed a solution immediately. I am James, Senior Operations Manager at a leading telecom enterprise.
And I am Lena. I report to James.
We were using Excel spreadsheets for performance reports. It was taking us too long to gather insights from the scattered data in these Excel spreadsheets.
And it was becoming increasingly inefficient. We needed a better way to analyze and make decisions based on our campaign performance data.
Excel spreadsheets can be cumbersome, especially when dealing with large amounts of data. I am Alicia, Senior Creative Analyst at Xerago. As the first step, we proposed building an interactive dashboard on Tableau for a visual data for analysis platform.
Xerago connected our data sources to Tableau and optimized the data to match Tableau's analytical structure.
We then defined key dimensions and filters such as segments, campaign type, month, date, and more.
And Xerago configured the dashboard to display data aggregates for KPIs like base lock rate, response rate, conversions, voluntary churn, and relative performance.
After which our client could explore the data in a user-controlled and interactive way, with adjustable filters for high-level or granular views.
The newly configured dashboard made it easier to uncover key insights and make better and faster decisions.
We were glad that we helped the client align their organizational endeavor, uncover key insights, and speed up their decision-making.